Nag-crave ako sa dessert kaya naman gumawa ako nitong burnt Basque cheesecake. So guys, all we need to do is just to combine yung ating cream cheese. Mura lang to na nakita ko. Comment lang kayo kung gusto nyong malaman kung saan ko binili yung murang cream cheese na yan. Okay. And also yung ating sugar, and then lalagyan natin yan ng 4 na eggs. One at a time lang guys, para ma-incorporate natin siya ng maayos. No? And pagka fully combined na, we can add our all-purpose cream and our evaporated milk, followed by our lemon juice. And then 2 tablespoons of flour. Yan. And then after that, mix lang natin yan. And then, prepare our baking pan. Nilagyan ko lang yung baking paper and in-strain ko yung mixture para mawala yung mga buo-buo. Konting tak-tak din para mawala yung mga bubbles. And then, we can pop it in the oven for 55 minutes over 200 degrees. Check lang natin yung ating cheesecake from time to time kasi medyo masusunog yung ibabaw niyan, and pag halimbawang medyo dark brown na siya, pwede na natin siyang tanggalin sa oven. Palamigin lang yan for around 30 minutes to an hour, and then put it sa ref for around 24 hours para mag-set yung gitna ng cheese kasi medyo malambot pa yan pag tinanggal natin sa oven. And there you have it. Meron na kayong napakasarap na burnt Basque cheesecake. I'm telling you guys, sobrang sarap nito, and I would say mura lang din naman yung ingredients. Makakaya din naman natin. Enjoy!